Water leaking from AC. Check if drain hose is placed down to let water inside of unit flow outside. If drain hose is not placed down, water is collected in the middle of hose, and it is not drained. So water flows backward and leaks from indoor unit. Adjust the drain hose to face downward. Also, drain hose input into water bucket can cause backflow. If water bucket should be used, empty the bucket as often as possible or prevent drain hose in from being put into the water bucket. If you need to fix your drain hose, buy it from nearby hardware store and make the hose longer. Thank you.